very first animatronic revamp, I was looking for a zombie crawler out on the web, but I couldn't find anything good. And then I saw this one, decided to purchase it and revamp it, taking off the head and hands and making it look like this. Now this was actually a really cool idea. It does come in, it's a little bit smaller than what you would think, medium-sized doll, I would say. But I went and took it and made it bigger through the fact of using some PVC pipe, some canned foam, and a latex mask. Now if you notice in the front of the mask there near the mouth, there's like a little hole there. That's the sensor. Very important to glue that in place. That way when people walk by, it will activate it. Now for his head, I just stuffed some grocery plastic bags into it and then added some canned foam, and that's how that eyeball worked out. Now this is the back of the torso. I did light it up so you can see it better. It's mostly all the canned foam that's in there, and you can just be erratic with it because you really want different patterns. You don't want to do a solid spray on there. This way you get that intestinal look to it. Now I added foam down here as well. This way it can give it some body, make it a little bit bigger, and give a cushion for the electronics in the housing there for the motorized mechanism that operates everything within that animatronic. And then also on the top portion as well, did the same thing, give it some more fullness, some thickness. This way you can give it more of a body shaped form. And then also on the top, if you see, I added what kind of looks like a spine. And I was just using my imagination there, along with trying to create some ribs as well. As for the noises he makes, here's what it sounds like. I sure did scare quite a few people because they didn't even see him, and then some of them just, they didn't expect him to move. So, hope you liked this video. Please smash that like button if you did, and like and subscribe. Thank you very much.